You know that period when your mind is cloudy, your attention span is just less than 10 seconds, and you feel so unmotivated. Yes, that is what is known as brain rot. And it is more common than you think. And that is why in this video today, I'm going to share with you how you can be able to overcome this brain rot. I will teach you how you can reset your mind, sharpen your focus, and get your mental energy so fast. If you are coming across my YouTube channel for the first time, my name is Basi Ijoba, and I'm a 400 level student at the University of Calabar studying medical laboratory science. And in my channel, I help students level up their academic game. I also share helpful tips on the channel focusing on personal development. So if you love content like this, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so I can continue getting updates anytime I'll drop videos like this, and so that you can help me grow. And just like I've said, I'm going to teach you how you can be able to regain back your mental energy, gain back your motivation, and also increase your attention span. You know, when it comes to brain fog, it has happened to almost everyone. It has happened to me because basically everything I talk about in my YouTube videos as stuff that I can easily relate to as a student. And that is the major reason I'm making YouTube videos, because I believe there are some people also that are going through what I am going through right now. There are some people that have already gone through what I am going through right now. And by making these YouTube videos, it will help me connect with them. So first of all, one of the ways you can overcome or break free or cure your brain rot is number one. That's and this number one is so common that it has become an addiction to a lot of people. I also passed through it. There was a time I told myself that okay, for 3 months, for 6 months, I'm not going to be there. But I got to find out that some days later, after deleting all my apps, I was still back on those platforms. You understand? And number one way of curing this brain rot is known as digital detoxification, digital detox. Now, digital detox is simply getting free from or breaking free from anything that involves digital life, especially social media, our phone. We tend to spend a lot of time scrolling through our phone, at times nothing in particular, just scrolling up, scrolling down, reading same news. We can't just break free, like we can't just stay away from our phone for even a few seconds. You understand? And it just stuff compounds over time, and at times it feels like our brain is empty. You understand? It feels like we can't even control our attention span. Things no longer excite us again. You understand? And when you start noticing things like that, just know that you're undergoing what's known as brain rot. And one of the ways, like I say, you can break free from it is digital detox. At times, you just stay away from social media, even though it's for 3 hours, 4 hours daily. You understand? Just try to detox yourself. I don't know if you want us to go on a 100-day social media detoxification, then I am ready for you. What you're simply going to do is we are going to delete our social medias, like the Facebook, the Instagram, the TikTok, and just focus on our YouTube. Where anytime I drop a video, you come to the comment section and tell me how far you have gone. You understand? If you're in, I am also in. And if you are also a student, know that if you just finish writing your post-UTME, know that we are currently undergoing a 100-day study challenge for post-UTME students, where you also get access to past questions and answer. If you are also in for the study challenge, drop it in the comment section, and I will send you the link to our WhatsApp group where you become our member also. Secondly, is that the kind of food you feed your brain also determines how your brain is going to behave. You understand? Because the brain, first of all, the brain is made up of 80% of water, right? 79 to 80% of water. I'm correct. So feeding your brain right will also help cure brain rot. And one of the ways you can feed your brain is drinking enough water, always staying hydrated, and also eating foods like nuts, eating proteinous food, meat, egg, drinking milk, and stuff like that. Proteinous food tends to build up your brain. Not every time you eat curry, not every time you eat yam, not every time you eat rice. You understand? Try to eat food that it builds your brain. Try to eat fruits and stuffs like that. Thirdly, is that you have to quit. You need to have a quiet time for yourselves. And so a lot of students don't have quiet time for themselves. It is very, very important that if you are trying to cure brain rot, it has happened to me at this particular point in time. when I was going through it, when I was trying to have my quiet time, is that I try to distance myself from every other thing. I just focus on myself. Sometimes I just lock on my door with my pen and paper, because it is at this period you try to start getting inspiration. You start having an internal reflection of how far you have gone in your life, some of the mistakes and stuff like that. So it is at this point you can use to correct it. You understand? So it is very, very important that to cure brain rot, you need to be having quiet time. You need to have quiet time with yourself. Not every time you be with your friends, not every time you be with your family. You understand? Sometimes just have a quiet time for yourself to meditate, to reflect on, see how far you have gone in life. Number four is that you have to review your discipline with micro tasks. You understand? Sometimes brain fogs or brain rot comes as a result of losing your discipline. And one of the ways you can build or rebuild your discipline with micro tasks is by, when you wake up in the morning, instead of just allowing your bed scattered or dirty like that, you can, you understand, you can see how you make your bed whenever you wake up in the morning, sweep your room, wash your plate and do stuff like that. Even when you go outside, you understand, just try to exercise and stuff like that. Try to exercise physical movement instead of just staying at home, because some people can, they call themselves introvert. I'm not an introvert, I am an ambivert. I can stay in the house and I can also go outside, so I am an ambivert, you understand. I'm in between introvert and extrovert, you understand, and that is why I believe I am doing the stuff that I am doing. So but these people that call themselves introverts, they get to find out that the introvert, right, they stay in the house every time, they don't come outside, they don't exercise, they don't do physical movement and stuff like that. It will not actually help you if you don't exercise, and if you are looking for ways to cure your brain rot. So if you want to cure your brain rot, then you can exercise. I'm not saying exercise you must go and pay money for gym membership or stuff like that. You can stay in your house and do some push-ups and stuff like that. Those are exercise also. You understand my point? So to cure your brain rot is that you have to be a discipline, micro tasks, sweeping your house and stuff like that, exercising and physical work. So those are just the brief ways I think you can use to cure your brain rot. These are practical stuffs that I have been doing. And have you ever experienced brain rot? How were you able to cure your brain rot? Drop it in comment section. I will learn from you, and I also believe a lot of people are going to learn from you. And if you are passing, or if you are going through your brain rot cure right now, which of these tips you are going to try right away? Drop it in the comment section. And if you need help in your academics, also drop it in the comment section. I will be glad to help you. If you love this video and you wish to continue getting videos like this, you wish to continue watching videos like this, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button, and also share these videos to your friends so that they can come here and get value, and in turn I'll feel motivated to continue dropping videos like this. Until I see you, always remember that you're wonderful, always remember that you're unique, and always remember that you're a pace setter. I really love you. Thank you.